Ever felt like your sales team is operating in a silo? Leads come in, get shuffled around, and precious deals fall through the cracks. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many businesses struggle with inefficient sales pipelines and lackluster customer relationship management, CRM, solutions. That's where platforms like Monday.com come in. But here's the question. Is Monday.com truly a CRM, or is it something else entirely? This video dives deep into the capabilities of Monday.com, exploring its strengths and weaknesses as a CRM solution. We'll compare it to traditional CRMs, highlight its unique features, and ultimately help you decide if it's the right fit for your sales team. The power of flexibility. Monday.com's core strength. Let's face it, traditional CRMs can be rigid and complex. They often require extensive customization and training, leaving you feeling like you're wrestling with a software beast. Monday.com takes a different approach. Its core strength lies in its flexibility. Built on a visual board system, Monday.com allows you to create custom workflows perfectly tailored to your sales process. Need a dedicated board for tracking leads? Done. Want to visualize the entire sales pipeline in one place? Easy. Monday.com's adaptability lets you build a system that mirrors your existing workflows, eliminating the need for major overhauls. But is flexibility enough? CRM essentials in Monday.com. Okay, so Monday.com is flexible. But can it handle the core functions of a CRM? Let's break down some essential CRM features and see how Monday.com stacks up. Lead capture and management. Monday.com shines here. Capture leads from various sources, including web forms and email integrations. Build custom forms to gather specific lead information and assign leads to specific sales reps. Contact management. Store detailed contact information for leads, customers, and partners. Segment contacts based on various criteria, making it easier to target specific audiences. However, compared to dedicated CRMs, Monday.com's contact management features might feel slightly limited. Pipeline management. Visualize your entire sales pipeline with drag-and-drop functionality. Move deals through different stages, track progress in real time, and identify bottlenecks. While powerful, Monday.com's pipeline views might not be as detailed or feature-rich as some dedicated CRMs. Sales automation. Automate repetitive tasks like sending follow-up emails or updating lead statuses. Monday.com offers basic automation capabilities, but it may not be as robust as dedicated sales automation tools. Reporting and analytics. Gain valuable insights into your sales performance. Track key metrics, identify top performers, and analyze trends to optimize your sales strategies. Monday.com provides reporting tools, but they might not be as comprehensive as some CRMs, especially for businesses with complex needs. Monday.com, a CRM alternative or a powerful complement. So, is Monday.com a true CRM? The answer depends on your specific needs. For smaller businesses with straightforward sales processes, Monday.com can be a fantastic alternative to traditional CRMs. Its flexibility allows you to build a system that perfectly reflects your workflow, and the user interface is refreshingly intuitive. However, larger businesses with complex sales pipelines might find Monday.com's features a little restrictive. The lack of advanced automation and in-depth reporting could hinder your ability to truly optimize your sales efforts. Here's where Monday.com truly shines. As a complement to a dedicated CRM. Imagine using Monday.com to manage your internal workflows, while your CRM handles core customer data management, advanced automation, and in-depth reporting. This combination provides the best of both worlds, flexibility and powerful functionality. Before you go, consider these factors. Ultimately, the decision to use Monday.com as a primary CRM depends on your specific needs. Here are some additional factors to consider. Team size and complexity of sales process. Smaller teams with straightforward pipelines will benefit most from Monday.com's flexibility. Desired level of automation. If robust automation is crucial, Monday.com might not be your best choice. Reporting requirements. For in-depth sales analytics, a dedicated CRM might be a better fit. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep those sales pipelines flowing.